Hi, I'm Caroline, a recent graduate from the Documentary Filmmaking Masters here at UCL, and currently a full-time freelance journalist here in London. And today I'm super excited to talk to you about how my master's shaped my career, from developing my professional network to building essential skills in media, as well as developing a really strong portfolio of published work. One of the major advantages of studying at UCL is the access to industry professionals. Every week, the anthropology department would have a documentary filmmaking masterclass that was taught by some of the biggest names in documentary, whether that be a producer, director, cinematographer, sound recordist. Inside the classroom, we would have working professionals coming in and teaching us technical skills about how to shoot, how to edit, how to produce a film. UCL East also gives students access to state-of-the-art industry-standard equipment, whether that be cinema screens, sound booths, production studios, podcast studios. You're really working with technology that you would see at an industry standard. UCL's Career Services also is a super successful resource for me because they often host media training workshops. Over the summer, I got to go to the Careers Day for the documentary filmmaking anthropology students, and one of the panels was all about freelancing and how to be a successful freelancer at London. And this really helped shape my career and my path now, looking back, because I am now a full-time freelance journalist. I work on various different projects, from directing a film for a local arts community to producing my podcast, to managing social media profiles, to writing articles for various news publications. And so it was really my time at UCL and doing my master's that allowed me to build myself up, not just my network, not just my portfolio, but my confidence in the work I do, gaining that real world experience that I think really kickstarting my career. So if you're ready to embrace opportunities, grow your career, and learn at the cutting edge of media, UCL is the place for you. I can truly say that doing my master's at UCL really helped me feel like I made my master's better. So thanks, guys. See you next time.